Are you ready to open your heart and call true love into your life? This full moon ritual harnesses the moon's powerful energy to help you manifest your soulmate and align with the vibration of love. It's simple, magical, and deeply transformative. Let's get started. Step 1. On the night of the full moon, find a quiet space where you can see the moon clearly, either outside or by a window. Take a blank piece of paper and a pen. Write down the qualities you desire in your soulmate. Be detailed and intentional. Think of traits like kindness, honesty, humor, or shared passions. As you write, visualize what it would feel like to have this person in your life. Let the emotions of joy and love flow through you. Step 2. Once you've written your list, hold the paper in your hands and lift it toward the moonlight. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths, feeling the moon's energy pouring into you and your intentions. Imagine the light amplifying your desires, sending them out into the universe like beams of love. Step 3. While holding the paper, say the following affirmation out loud 3 times. Under this full moon, I call in love. My soulmate is drawn to me with ease, joy, and harmony. I am ready to give and receive love. Speak with confidence, believing in the power of your words and the energy they carry. Step 4. Fold the paper toward you 3 times, symbolizing that you're drawing love closer to your life. Place the folded paper under your pillow before you sleep. As you lie down, close your eyes and imagine your life with your soulmate. See their smile, feel their warmth, and let gratitude fill your heart, as if they're already with you. Optional enhancement. If you have a rose quartz crystal, hold it in your hand or place it next to the paper. Rose quartz is known to amplify love energy and strengthen the connection to your heart's desires. You can also light a pink or white candle during the ritual to create a calming, sacred space. Step 5. Repeat this ritual for 3 consecutive nights around the full moon. Each night, reaffirm your intention and visualize your soulmate coming closer into your life. The moon's energy will amplify your desires and align you with the vibration of love. Remember, love begins with you. Trust the process, stay open to possibilities, and allow the universe to work its magic. Like and follow for more transformative rituals to bring love, joy, and abundance into your life.